everybody, my name is Cherry Blossom and welcome back to another Late Night with Cherry. Today I have decided, since it is again quite late, it's a lot later than it was last night. It is currently 2:32 a.m. but hey, gotta keep up the daily video streak. I've decided to do a quick update on my den since the freedom parties are still upcoming. I'm going to update my freedom den because I have gotten a couple of items since then, not too many, but I have a few cute little things. I also think I'm going to change the den that I have all my stuff in, just to make it look a bit nicer. So here we go. So for this den, I think I'm gonna go with the classic restaurant, so let's change to that one really quickly. Okay, so I bought these cute little stepping stones. I didn't know exactly what I was gonna do with them. They don't fit extremely well here, but I'm gonna put them there anyway because I don't want to say I have wasted any gems. So let's just place that down now. And I also bought these two because I thought they would look cute right outside the door. That sure makes a lot of sense. So here is my brand new den. Let me run you all through it. So as you can see, we have these fancy little steps, all Freedom Day themed. We have our 2-star red, white and blue balloons out the front on either side. Very, very parallel and symmetrical, as you can see. So we come on up and we are greeted by our 4 little mini Freedom Day plushies. We are greeted by our dog, our bunny, and our hamster, and then we have little ducky at the register, as you do. And you walk on into the main room, and here we have 2 little tiki chairs where you can rest if you need to. You can sit right by our Freedom Day banner, pay respect to the banner, and then come over here and you see a nice eagle window. Nice eagle shaped window. Very, very American indeed, if I do say so myself. So we come on into the kitchen and we are greeted by a lovely little rainbow. Where did it come from? Nobody knows. Then we come outside and we have our 2 candle holders over here, both lit very nicely. And you finally come outside onto the patio and we have all our fireworks. Since I'm a bit late to the whole Freedom Day theme, I'm going to set off an extra firework down here. Mira, please help me. Mira, I'm praying to you. Hopefully you all can forgive me, but I was quite early the last time I checked the parties. Yep, the Freedom Party wasn't on for like another hour or maybe 2. So let us now set off our fireworks. Oh, I missed it. Beautiful, beautiful, nice paw shaped. Nice paw shaped. And finally, Mira. Yes, nice. That was unexpected. I didn't know that she was going to be yellow and orange. I thought she would have been blue. Like, you know, the classic Mira is. But hey, who am I to judge, right? I mean, I was like 4 days late to the Freedom Party. But hey, it's all better now. I made up for it, right? I mean, this is not terrific. I must admit, it's not a terrific den. Practice makes perfect, as you all know. It always does. So here I am, practicing. So, with that being said, thank you all very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you all in the next video. Bye!